So welcome to another Maths with Paddy video where we talk about an idea or a theorem from maths and we do an example and we always try to get it done in under 5 minutes. So today what we're going to look at are inverses of a function. Okay, so let's say function inverse of f of x. Okay, function inverse of, let's say, y is equal to some function of x. Okay. Okay, so basically, I'll give you a method for doing this. Okay, so one, it's a three-step method. So the first step is that we can interchange the x and y's in the arrangement y is equal to f of x. So interchange x and y. That'll be the first step. Okay. Then two is we solve the new equation. Okay, so we solve x. We'll have x is equal to the function of y now when we do the interchange. So we solve x is equal to f of y for y. Basically, we isolate y. Okay, and then we'll on the other side we'll have an expression in terms of x. Okay, so then the third part is the right-hand side as the result of all this, the right-hand side, okay, is the inverse function f minus 1 of x, okay? So, example, here we go. Let's say we have y is equal to the square root of 3x minus 2. Okay, so step one is we do the interchange of x and y. So we will have x is equal to the square root of 3y minus 2. Then step two is we solve. Okay, so we just start trying to isolate y. So I have a square root function here. So just square both sides of the equation and we'll get x squared is equal to 3y minus 2. Okay, then, okay, we can just say that x squared plus 2 is equal to 3y. Okay, and then we can just multiply across both sides of this equation by 1 over 3 to obtain 1 over 3 by x squared plus 2 is equal to y. Okay, and then this gives us our step 3. We have the inverse. Okay, so I know I said the right-hand side, but in this case it's the left-hand side, which is this guy here. So we can just say that f minus 1 x is equal to 1 over 3 by x squared plus 2 x squared plus 2. Okay. So basically, when we solve for x is equal to f of y, the expression in terms of x is our inverse function, whether it happens to be on the right-hand side or on the left-hand side. Okay, so thanks a million. Hope to see you next time.